There we go. There we go. Afternoon, everybody. Let's just sort the live chat out. So, okay, that. Yes. Right, I can't see the live chat, you know. Can you see it, Pete?
No, but what? Well, I can on YouTube, yeah.
So
I can
cool.
tabs it.
Hello to everybody. Let me just share my screen for you, Pete.
Do you get the pop out of the chat?
Yes.
You do, yeah? And then what I do is I just put the chat box over, like, I put it in a corner or something so I can keep tabs of it.
Yeah, man. I've got it there.
I know what you mean. It can be annoying.
Hello. We've got Nate, Paolo, Jack. Hello.
Hi, guys.
Oh, what time are we on? 6 minutes till the 2 o'clock close. We were talking about these two trades yesterday, so that's why I'm just keeping an eye on them. GBP CHF to see if we close bearish on the 4. He had all this area marked up yesterday, and it's just come and tapped it exactly. So it's a nice reaction off of there, to be honest, which is what I was expecting. Yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on that.
I might have to move myself here. You can hear the wind, I know.
No? Your window?
It's lovely though. Like, I need the door open. It's like a sauna in here. So, but the wind's coming in.
Yeah, and just whirling around.
Like whirling around.
Oh, your paperwork just went.
I'm gonna mess my hair up in a minute.
Then what?
It always has that problem. Paolo. Always the same problem.
Paolo and Nate and Martin actually. Hi Martin.
You doing, mate?
Right, so let's have a quick fly through and see what's going on. Interessante.
Right, Rick's having a look. Has anyone caught anything this morning? I didn't trade this morning. I'm so glad I didn't trade because gold, after Asia, it just went through the roof. No pullbacks, and I wouldn't have been able to get in on it. So I'm sort of glad I wasn't on this morning. You wearing a jumper, mate? Oh, me? I'm wearing a jumper. No.
I am.
I'll start jumping. It's like a paddling top.
I think we've lost Pete. Oh, we've lost me. I'm not sure who it is. Maybe it's Pete. His internet can't handle it. Just keeping an eye on this. No, it's probably not ready yet. Were you talking to me, Martin, about a jumper? Or Pete? I'm wearing a jumper because it's actually cold in my house. Let's see if he comes back. Anybody looking at anything? Let me know and I can have a quick look. CHF. Interesting.
Am I back?
You are back. Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Are you okay?
No, just honestly, I feel like grabbing the hub and just booting it across the drive.
Do you know what?
No.
I'm like you. Like I'm a really, really calm person, but when it comes to something like that, I will just lose it.
So frustrating, man. It's especially when you're trading. Like, you can't get anything worse. Like trading Forex and your internet's going.
Yeah.
Just about to get in a trade and your internet goes. It's so annoying. I think it's because I had YouTube on. You might have to watch the chat, Mick.
I've got it over here, yeah. I've got the chat.
Okay. I can't do two things at once. I'm a typical man.
Still hot. Pete in long sleeves. Had a nice gold trade this morning, Pete. No wingbacks. As you say, that's what Martin said. Sup, lads, from Tozy. Sup, Tozy. USD CHF has turned after news, yeah. He's just looking at that. So it's not quite made it to the TP3 we had out at the weekend, but at the beginning of the week, looks like it might do a Yui.
Lovely trade that, like, I actually took that.
Nice, wasn't it?
I got out at TP2 though.
TP2 was my like bag trade really on that. It was nice. TP3 was ambitious, and to be fair, that's I went for an ambitious one because if you look on the daily, it did go to the top of that, so it was a good place to stop. But I did go a bit further on it. CHR, I'm just seeing how these are gonna close. Yesterday's. What else we got? Actually, we're not really looking at the JPYs. EA. Let's look at G.
Such a bump goal line.
Still expecting. I think we were looking for sells on this week. One more minute and then I'll check the alerts as well, see what's coming out on them. I do really want this to close bearish, but I don't think we're going to get it. But if anybody goes back to yesterday's stream and looks, like it's literally gone to exactly where I was looking.
Well, this is what you said, isn't it? You take it, you're going to be job, or you just be patient and wait.
So the only thing is just this, not quite doing the same things.
Song's in my head now, Vic.
Which one? It's my silence filler. A silence filler anthem.
It is, isn't it?
Sheesh. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on this for same thing, see if we get any pullbacks on it. And we're going to wait for this.
What's that, GBP CHF?
Yeah.
So what you have to pull back on this and then...
Look at it, it's just closed bullish, just closed bullish. I'm going to even check another broker just to see bullish. Yeah, bullish. Yeah. Don't think another hour left on that one. Yeah. We'll this is likely to go up. So probably have to leave it for now. I'll look at the buys on 4 hours. I'm gonna look at for anybody who trades it, Crown Jewel setup. We might have a look. We might have one of them on. So let me just check. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on this because I've got another on Crown Jewel set up potentially on GBP CHF, and I'm just going to check Discord, see what other alerts have come out.
On GBP CHF? Oh,
yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on it. It's a bit, can't really take anything on it at the moment.
Yeah.
2 o'clock. We had AU, USD CAD. That's come out. Euro GBP, let me just check Euro GBP, it's not on my list. But nice. USD CAD as well. It's actually 4 hours. Look how close that's closed.
Typical. Tell you what, there's some volume this morning though, Vic.
What's that? I've not even looked. I've been busy this morning, so I've not had time.
You know what? Well, put it this way: gold alone
Ooh, I've just
has
seen.
shifted from this morning.
Wait, we've got a. Yeah, we've
280 pips. Wow.
280, nice. We don't get these often, and this alert's come out. Sorry, I'm just concentrating on this one.
Not doing what you need to do.
It's hard when you try to look at a million things, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just looking at how bad this is. It's absolute.
Is it tank? Did it tank or did it go up? That's how much I've not looked today.
8 pips this morning, literally no pullbacks or nothing. Just absolutely flew. Sort of glad I didn't trade it really, because I wouldn't have been able to get it. Now we literally would have spent the full stream watching it.
Right, just enjoying it.
Yeah, just enjoying it now as you do.
Yeah.
What you do.
Looks nice, this, you know.
Yeah. Wait.
49, 45.
Can't see it, yeah.
Yeah. It's just a bit risky with the CHF pairs.
Yeah.
Where is Monday? Let's have a look at where Monday is. Monday. What are we on the daily for? Yeah, that's there as well. Just gonna have a look.
So we put some tunes on in the background bit.
Oh, you won't be able to hear them, will they? I'll do
Oh,
it.
you are
I'll do
doing
it,
it,
I'll do it, yeah.
Ah, yeah, we did try that, didn't we?
GBP CHF. Just had the alert on this, so we're just gonna keep. We're gonna keep an eye on this one. I think.
GBPCH, yeah.
Yeah. And 4 hours. The thing is, it's already been up there today, and I don't like them when they've already been there today. 4 hours, 15. I don't think I can take it just because of where it is, and I was expecting the sells on from here, so I don't think I can take the buy on it.
Yeah.
I just don't like where it's already been. I think basically this looks like a crown jewel setup, which is more likely to come play back through.
Yeah.
But previous day is not matching, so I don't want to take it. And I'm waiting for sells on this, like more confirmation that this is not just like some kind of trap. So I really want to see it retest itself again, and get a confirmation of it's gonna hold. So 3 hours, got another 2 hours left on the 3. That 4 hour just closing bullish has just put me off taking the sells straight away. So highly likely to go back up first, I think.
I don't know.
Right, let me just come back to CAD CHF because I think this is similar.
And they're nice. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you go into this, but you had a lovely daily close on it on DVPCHF.
Yeah, no, so that's what we look at as well. So
This is like the top wick of the of this daily.
yeah, I think it's gonna reject. It's come off of. I was showing yesterday. Like this is why I expected it to hold exactly where it has today. So it's nice rejection. But
I know what you mean with the four.
yeah,
What you were after with that four was were you after a bearish close?
yeah, I wanted bearish close. And then I would prefer it to go up first and sell stops. So I think this is gonna go back up. So I'm gonna wait and see what happens when we get there, basically. So for anybody, if this doesn't happen like whilst we're on, I am looking to see if we can pretty much do the same as what I was saying yesterday, just to hold here. And if it does start to show signs of holding, then we can probably ride this down. And I think there's quite a lot of room to the next sort of levels. If it's 4 hour, you've got room to. How many pips is this as well? Because it's a low pippage pair. This. What a word, pippage.
Low pippage.
Low pippage. Be looking at something like that eventually, I think. So it'll be about 20 pips to TP, and I think on the daily, this is why I like it on the daily, because if the daily does flip, it's coming through to there, which will be TP2.
It's like there's nowhere else to go, is there?
Yeah, I do think it will do it, but I'm just not sure whether it's finished messing about, to be honest. And you've got Euro CHF, which blasted off, so chances are, and to be fair, if you get, what did the daily, oh that was the daily, yeah, nothing clean anyway, that's basically what I am seeing. Let me know. Oh, I'm supposed to be checking the chat, aren't I? I'm not very good at checking the chat.
Yeah, don't put my YouTube on me in case my house explodes.
Just bounced off the daily. GBP, yeah, CHF, yeah, CJ. Oh, Nate said same. What were you saying, same? Sorry, I'm really bad at checking the chat. I just need to look at my candles. What you saying, same on, Nate? Are you taking it? GBP CHF?
He'll be in it. He'll be already there in profit now. TP's already hit for him. He took it last week.
I think I can't make my mind up on it. Don't love it. Don't love it. It's a bit messy on the lower time frame, so.
I would have liked it if the hour had closed below that zone. Obviously, you know I go off zones.
Yeah.
But at the minute that hour is closed respecting, so it's not something sort of I would look at.
Yeah.
Is it? But yeah, I would want to steep a top wick really off the hour.
GBP CHF you're on about, aren't you?
Or GBP, yeah. But that's just me.
Yeah, I do like it. But it's not. It's another one like yesterday. I like it, but it's not ready yet. It's not shown what I want to see, and I do think you've got a lot of basically room to go fill that wick from that 4 hour. If we get a 3 hour close like that at 4 o'clock, it'll be. Then I might be more interested.
Yeah.
So Paolo, CJ 4 hour area of interest is always also quite weak, I think. So I agree the buy is a bit risky. Agreed. It's not. This is a really strong, and we talk about this all the time. This is really strong for rejection. So that's why we've seen the bounce there as well. What I should have done is set a pending order yesterday off of what level I was marked up. But it hit it during news, I think, so he couldn't take it. That would have been there. Would have been nice. That would have been like your wingbacks. That's one.
Yeah.
That's one that I would set.
Yeah. So when you say the 3 hour close, would you then want a top wick?
Yes.
And then that's where my win backs come from. Basically, is working out how far that top wick's going to be.
Yeah. So if you do get the 3 hour, it's going to be somewhere like this for me.
Yeah.
So if the 3 hour does manage to close below, then a wing back goes something like that.
Well, that's the only next zone really on the lower time frames, isn't it? So
Yeah.
it's a logical place really. But yeah, that'd be nice.
That's why I think the 4 hour sort of the crown jewels setup makes sense as well.
Yeah.
Because 30 order block here that it'll probably go into, which is also a 1 hour order block. And that is it. So yeah, if we do come through, that's where it's going. Interessante. But that's going to form the base. Basically, we're just waiting for the pullback, making sure it holds, and then and the 4 hour suggested it's going to go back there first as well with the crown jewels. I've not finished the video on the crown jewels, I don't think. I need to get that out.
Oh, I need to do wing backs. I was telling Nella yesterday.
Yeah.
She's asking about wing backs. I thought, you know what? I haven't even updated the wing backs. I need to do.
Are you sure?
I don't think I've done it. Or did I?
I'm sure you did. I made you.
Did you?
I was like, Peter, do it now. Like that. No, I'm only joking. I think you did. Let me check.
Yeah, I need to have a look. I need to have a look.
Yeah,
it's on my list now.
I remember uploading it.
Yeah, okay. Alright, I feel better now. That's on my list. That's going on my list.
It's in Discord in the Forex education section.
Yawn.
I'll even show you. Look.
Yawn, carriad.
For anybody who's not a member. So it's our Discord zone where you get your Forex education. So Meraki wingbacks, and it's all in WAP as well. It's all in WAP.
All in what?
WAP. Whoppy WAP.
I think it's much better having access to all the courses on Discord.
Yeah.
Instead of having to sort of go to the website and
yeah.
Website. I mean, they're on the website as well, obviously, but
they're in WAP. Yeah, they're in WAP now. So obviously, it's connected to subscription, which is a lot easier for us to manage.
Yeah.
AUD CAD CJ. Let's have a look, Natey boy. Ooh, that is nice. Let's have a look. What's occurring?
I need a whole video.
Right then, Nate. Let's see what this is all about, shall we, lad? What's these for? AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Is this from last week? Oh, this is from the live stream last Thursday, isn't it? I was like, it went down to that TP3. Right then. Right you are.
Right you are there.
Right you are. Let's have a look. Where are we at?
You are there, boy. Oh.
What we're waiting for? AUD to be weak. It has broken down. So, AUD CAD. How many pips is that? About 7. So many. Daily. Weekly.
Watching the football on Sunday, Vic?
Yes, I will be. Going to a wedding on Saturday, so then driving back to Yarna's on Sunday. So
Surely you can't watch that.
You make sure we're back on time.
But surely you could not watch that hungover. 10 times harder. That alone gives you a hangover.
Yes, it does. It does. This isn't ready yet.
Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, welcome to the stream. If you're new to the stream, drop us a subscribe. Make sure everyone watching drop us a like. That'd be much appreciated. It really helps the channel grow. If you want more info on the company, jump into the link trees in the description. Jump into our Discord. It's completely free in the Discord and the public chat. We trade most weekdays from 8 AM London session, and then we do about 3 days a week for New York session. Everything gets posted in the Discord. It'll notify you when we're on.
Nice. We'll play the advert. We need to start doing some like Paddy Power style adverts.
Yeah.
They're funny, aren't they?
We do. Sarah's just said CAD CHF. Have we looked at that?
Yeah, I've looked at CAD CHF for cells and it's just right on this H4, so I can't take it basically. And the daily looks really nice. What is it, USD? Yeah, it does look nice, this. I just want to see more confirmation on it. CAD CHF. Yeah, it came out as an all, like the Holy Grail of the Holy Grail. So it is highly likely to play out. But it's just closed like in a lot of crap. That's the technical term.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
You know what I'm saying?
My technical term for when gold needs to calm down is calm its tits.
Yeah. Calm.
Which you say all the time. Calm your tits.
Calm down. It does look nice, but we've got to wait. We can't take it on just yet. But if you look on the daily, it's a very nice rejection. I think it's the same setup that we're basically looking for on GBP CHF as well. Pretty much,
yeah.
They look identical. We put GBP CHF this side.
Yeah,
was it GBP or was it
GBP CHF?
Yeah, they're similar. Was it? I mean, I'm just thinking.
You're gonna have to break them lows, even if it wants to drive and break the highs. So it's like it's got to come down, but it's just whether it gets that steeper top wick, isn't it? On the 4.
Yeah, I think. I mean, what's the one? The one looks nice, basically. So I don't think it will come any further up.
Yeah.
I think, but I do think it's gonna just retrace back in here.
So should we have a look at him?
And then.
I would go back for a wing back on this.
On what GBP CHF? Yeah, have a look. See what the Meraki methods.
Oh, it's flipping now. The 4's looking to flip to the upside.
That's what we said, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. So if the 1 flips up, see, I wouldn't touch it without a steeper top wick.
Yeah, it has to come to at least the 1 hour OB for me.
It's just a bit shit. It's done that push down first, because I don't like that either, me.
Yeah, because then you create
like
an order
an advantage point. Yeah, I'd want it to come back, steep top wick, and then you get the flip. Because you've got 37 minutes left of this hour. It just means that it's unlikely that this hour is going to be the one that does it. And if we flip to the upside on this 1 hour, and we've got like 15 minutes left, it means you might close bullish.
I think it will. I do think this is coming up first because we've got the crown jewel set up right here for buys up.
Right, yeah.
So I think it'll play the buys out first, but it's quite just a bit risky to take the buys because I think we're looking more bearish overall on the higher time frame. So this might even be like a trade that I'll look at tonight on a 4 p.m, 6 p.m. close, even daily close. Because even, to be honest, even if we miss it all, and we get the daily bearish close, there's still a trade on there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look really nice, but we must wait. AD card.
Must wait.
Must wait. That reminded. I don't know. I don't know why that reminded me of. What's it called? The Undateables.
Oh,
When he's on that date. I can't remember what he says, but he just said it just like that.
so funny ones on there. It's class.
It's a good show. So AD card, we're thinking if you want to take sells on this, you're suggesting strong card, but you're wanting to look at weak card for CAD CHF. That's why it's just a little bit conflicting at the moment. We want to see what's going to happen first. This comes down, strong card, CAD CHF's going to go up. This crown jewel setup's not quite made it either.
Wait, what is that? 1337. Yeah. So I've actually got potential wing back sells from 1.1348 on that GBP CHF.
1 point what?
It's bang on, basically the pullback area where you've said it.
Yeah.
That's what I personally would be looking at if I was trading this pair.
Yeah.
And it is pulling back up now. So if you get a 15-minute close,
Yep.
there's 5 minutes left. If we get a 15-minute close above 1343, for me, that's it breaking back into the range. You then potentially, you sort of don't want to break them back in there though. You want to close and respect it, and then a top wick, reach and grab, and then a flip. That would be perfect.
This actually looks really clean on the 30 for buys, you know, on the crown jewels. I hadn't seen the 30 looks really clean. I think I'd gone too far down. On the 15 looks a bit messy. Yeah, because basically crown jewel setup, if we get it, would be something like this.
This is us not taking the trade here, guys.
Yeah, this is us. We're gonna take a buy and a sell. There, I've alreys said I can't take it just because I don't like it basically.
So would you expect this 30 to then flip and drive itself, or would you be expecting the next 30 with the crown jewels?
So.
Oh, you can't go too much into it.
So I need that 30 to close probably above here and not drive too much. And then you want to see it fill the range then on the next one, really.
Yeah.
But the 30 would have to close above that.
Yeah.
And to be honest,
which is basically the 15
I'm not saying I will take it, but I am saying I might consider it if we get the close above. But I'll only consider it if we close above, and then probably similar to how you would wait. I would wait for it to push down first. And then look for it to drive back through after. But if you do get the close in, it might just go. But I'd rather just miss it because it is very risky. It's risky because of the the 2 hours closed like that and the 1 hour's closed. So yeah, we gotta wait. We gotta wait for a UD CAD as well. So one of these CAD CHF, they're gonna do the kind of opposite thing. So one of these trades is gonna be right. So it's either gonna be AUD CAD or it's gonna be CAD CHF. I think, is that right?
GBP CHF.
Oh no, sorry. For the let me put it on the screen. So for the crown jewel setups, these are both gonna do the same thing. So got GBP CHF. So if we have the crown jewels, so we're expecting. Oh, I'm just talking rubbish. I thought we were on CHF. This. Ignore me, guys. Ignore me. It's been a long day. I've not slept much in the last about 4 days. Oh,
I've slept after watching England. Put me in a coma, didn't it?
I had to get one of them sleep kits, so I was slept in all these wires last night. Crazy.
Have you ever tried them things what sort of give you electrocute you? You hold it. Have you seen them online? They help with like anxiety and that. So you hold it, and it just gives you a little electric shock into your hand. Supposedly that helps with sleep.
Does it?
I don't know how getting electrocuted.
I need something. I've probably averaged 3 hours over the last 4 days, like 3 hours a night. But yeah.
I want sleep as well.
Let's see what's going on here. Right, we're gonna wait for these, see what these do. CAD CHF was nice on the 4 hour. Oh look, it's gonna. But this looks exactly like NZD CHF yesterday, where it's driven quite a lot.
Yeah.
And so you've got to expect the pullbacks on this. I don't know whether in the DCHF, because that looked like it was going to go back through. So really similar situation to what I said yesterday on this, because we were looking at like potential sells like somewhere here.
Yeah.
And I said it won't, and I said we've got it marked up. So we won't make it to TP1, I don't think, without a pullback. And then it's done it. It's gone exactly where we said on this one as well. So we shall keep an eye on these. The CHFs do look good for these rejections. You just need a bit more confirmation. I think this will be a really nice trade idea today. This,
Yeah.
Like maybe on the close tonight, or like I said, another 4 hour close, just to see what we get.
Well, this game's going to be interesting.
Yeah, I do wonder if
It's
you're
broke
going to
above as well. 15 for me is broke back into the range above. Interesting.
Oh, it's just closed above, so
yeah, that's what I mean.
that is what you want. You want to see it pull down first. So if you've got,
and then we're having a pullback first. So can this flip and drive up? Now there you go. There she blows.
Yeah.
There she blows.
It's interesting.
Interesting.
Was it the 4 hour? 15. Yeah, I prefer the sells off up here anyway. So even if it does come up, I prefer to look for them when they come back up. That's a nice close, that on the 30. Nice close. What's a 5 look like? Look at that. Said it'll probably just blast off. Fill it on the next one. Sheesh. I think there was a 15-minute order block right there as well, so that put me off a little bit as well. Let's see if we can get up here. I want to see some rejections up here. Then we will look for these sells. Have you seen anything on gold, Pete?
Well, yeah, but you could probably buy up to the next range, but you've had such a big push.
Yeah.
If you pull back now, it's created massive ranges below, so your stops would have to be huge.
Yeah.
So I'm just not touching it, mate. I'll just have a look tomorrow.
Yeah, this would be nice for sells all the way back down.
Yeah, it is.
Looking at that. It's going to there, isn't it? Easily.
Yeah.
And it looks like it'll reject off that as well. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, that looks nice for rejections off there. But let's see. In fact, I've got an alert on that. Is that one of yours? Must have been one of yours, that. 23, 27. Not sure, but anyway, that's nice. It's a bit boring, isn't it, today? Like, did the news even do anything today? I wasn't looking.
Well, I don't know. Something's moved that, hasn't it?
Yeah, there's that. It does look structured bullish on this. It looks nice on the 30.
That's not me placing a trade, guys. I need to
Yeah,
place
yeah.
because I've had to change all my accounts over.
Woof, look at this.
Oh god, we're pushing nicely.
Card. That means this card is going to pull back. Okay, see it, yeah. It's nice that. So we're going to be waiting for sell confirmations off of this.
No problem.
3 p.m. Is that? Let's have a look. Ah, yeah. Who knew, Paul? Who knew? I don't think this will do much. But maybe it will. 3 p.m. Thanks, Paul. Sorry, Paolo.
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 That's his bedroom name. Paolo.
Oh, how was Pink, Paolo? Did you enjoy it? He took his missus to Anfield, the best stadium in the land.
Did he get robbed?
Now.
Oh, the scouts will be fuming watching this now.
I know. Just lost loads of people there.
You don't rob. No. You don't.
Nice. 15. She's a great performer. She is. Your wife? Oh, Pink. Oh, Pink.
Are you talking about Pink?
She is. She puts on a good show. I like her. I have respect for people who like do their own stuff. So singer-songwriter and then performer as well.
It is better, isn't it? Instead of people getting songs written for them.
There's some crap out there, isn't there?
Yeah, it is. That's the thing with society at the minute, though. We live in a society where we make idiots famous. Unfortunately.
That is true. Sheesh. Well, that's the Crown Jewels just played out. If anybody's trading Crown Jewels. Perfect one. Just, I didn't want to take that. The 30 was nice. And see how the next one just popped. Popped.
Yeah. Tell you what though, bang on though, Vic.
Bang on.
The pullback.
Yep. If it had been a steeper pullback this, I would have gone for it. You know, it wasn't enough, and I was nervous at the 15-minute.
Yeah.
This will be nice. Come on. See if we can get anything off here. This might just power through because Euro Swiss is going as well. Look at that. Oof, that's a 15-minute candle, isn't it?
Nice big pushing candle.
Look at that bad boy.
Tapped 135.70. This is the top of the range on the 15. So are you just looking for it to respect this zone?
Yeah, pretty much.
Reject off it, basically.
Yeah. So we've gone through this one, which was, what was this one? 4 hour, I think. Or daily. This is the dailies basically. So any close below that, like retests of it, bearish close. If you get a bearish 4 hour close on this, it's going down basically.
That's pretty close.
And that's what we're waiting for. So
the nice no bottom wick on that. See the floor at the very bottom.
Yeah, but just
bottom wick as well there.
It's the daily that's clean. Afternoon gears. Clean. Yeah. Nice. I love watching them play out though. Just like, oh, look what we didn't take.
Oh yeah, it's great. It's nothing better than watching price go exactly where you said it's going to go, and you just don't get it.
This could even potentially go all the way above, if people have got in, because it just might go for the stops.
And then thing it needs to break the highs to come down.
I don't really like go off stuff like that. Don't. For me, on the daily, the daily's already been up yesterday for the week.
Yeah.
So the weekly's already come up and tested all this stuff. So, well, I really don't know. Your next level's there on the weekly. So
it'd be interesting to see what the hour does, how the hour closes.
Yeah.
20 minutes. I think that's probably going to be the decider, isn't it?
Yes. To be honest, I think for me it's on the the next 4 hour close.
Yeah.
And see where that closes. I just can't take it yet. Like the trade that I had marked up, just tapped it and then left from there earlier.
Yeah.
So that's the trade already sort of done. But Euro Swiss is just flying, so yeah, I have to see something on that to tell me it's turning around as well, and it's not yet. So we just gotta keep waiting.
Wait.
Very boring. Very boring. Let's look at CAD CHF. Was that the one that Sarah sent out? Yeah. It just reminds me of the one we were looking at yesterday. It just stopped right in the area. What else was there? AD CAD. What's that doing? Oh, look, AD CAD. It didn't quite make the... I preferred this one because it made more sense in line with, I think, where it had already been today.
I've just seen Martin's trades in the results. Martin absolutely destroyed gold today.
Thought I would try gold.
Yeah, he's had loads of profit on gold today. Smashing it, Martin. Well done, man.
Well done, well done.
Tried gold as people seem to do well, and I thought I knew where it was going. It just reads there. Trade factors. I didn't trust my analysis. Last trade was cut short due to news. I could not have done this without the education, strategies, indicators. So cheers, team.
Nice.
Not too shabby. You're definitely right. Not too shabby there.
Not too shabby. Lovely, lovely. Well done. Sarah's put one out as well.
Had CHF.
Yeah, she won EA this morning.
Yeah, that was nice.
We had that earlier in the week. Yeah, we've. I don't remember the last trade we lost actually.
Trade ideas are like, if I was, I'd be over the moon with them. I mean, I've took signals in the past, and if I had these trade ideas, they're fantastic. But it's alright for me to say that, isn't it? Because we put them out.
Yeah.
The members found it nice.
They're all there to see. So.
Yeah, bloody hell.
I'm just looking at Sarah's trade. She's gone for the CAD CHF sell. That would have hit the TP one. It didn't.
Already?
Yeah, it didn't quite give us the crown jewel setup. So no, can't take it. Have to stick to your rules. CAD CHF sells. I would like to see more confirmation, but 30 minutes. Let's see. 15. The one. It's nice on the one. It's just this stuff. I don't like it. I want to get below that stuff. Really, is it the daily that's if the daily closes for me? If the daily closes bearish today on CAD CHF, I will look to take entry on it. And it's very similar, I think, to what GBP-CHF. To be honest, I can't see any trades showing up now. Everything's pretty much just done what we were looking at, and I'll just be monitoring it on the 4-hour closes. So there's no point me really sitting chatting about it. But well done, Martin. You've smashed that. And well done, everybody else. I don't know whether Nate had any trades this morning. Let's have a look. No, not seeing any today. So yeah, I'll probably end up just calling it a stream, and if I see the setups that I'm waiting for, I shall send them out in the trade ideas, if that's okay. If that's alright.
No, it's got to wait, don't we?
We do?
What it is.
Boring. But I think that's like what you said the other day, you do the morning, don't you, where you're happy to sit and watch gold for a couple of hours to get your trade, but I don't have the time normally, so I'm just doing the 4-hour closes. So we're not going to sit for hours just watching. We'll wait for the 4 hours to tell us what they want to do.
Yeah, there's times where we've sat there for 4 hours.
Yeah.
10 pips.
Yeah, and it's okay, isn't it? If you can do
it's all worth it. 10 pips is worth it.
Of course it is.
Of course it is. That's just what you've got to do. If it's not there, it's not there. This is what I always try to explain to people is, they think what it is when people start out, they think they're not learning anything if they're not in a trade. Where actually, by you not getting into a trade, subconsciously you're telling your mind not to take shit trades.
Yeah.
You are actually learning. It's like driving a car. It's just the more you do it, you don't think about putting the clutch in and putting it into gear now, because muscle memories took over. It's the same with trading. Only take high probability setups.
Yeah.
And don't just have the attitude, oh, well, I'm on a demo, I'll just take it anyway.
Yeah.
Like, all you're doing is you're teaching your brain that it's okay to take them type of trades.
Yeah. And it's only when you stop doing that stuff, you'll see some big improvement.
So, but guys, if you're watching on YouTube, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, jump to our Discord, get notified when we are live again.
Yeah.
And then, we'll go from there.
We will let you know in the trade ideas if anything changes on this one. So, have fun, everyone. We'll catch you later.
Catch you later, guys.
I need to find the stop button first.